I just finished a whole house carpet cleaning with my 2004 DC14 Animal. So let's see what it picked up weight-wise and also content-wise. So somehow I'm going to have to transfer that, I think, onto my little magic piece of paper, because I won't be able to put that directly in the bin. Not very easily. Turn that off for now. So let's see, I haven't used this machine in quite a while actually, and it reminded me how easy this one is to move. It's very, very easy to push. Okay, so we got definitely some big fluff here, plenty of that. Kind of goes everywhere, doesn't it? All right, so I think probably about it. Okie dokie. Don't want to miss anything. So obviously you have some carpet fluff in there, and of course, since this is the Animal, we have a short-haired boxer, it's definitely going to pick up plenty of dog hair, to be sure. So let me condense this and see what our total weight is. And you can compare this to the first one I did in the series, which is a LG compressor. All right, so we're set. Oh, there we go. So yeah, we can measure down to 0.01 grams, which is pretty fine. Right. And if I'm remembering right, the LG was around 6 grams. So you can go and take a look at the video and see what you have there. And this is an awful lot of fluff. And unfortunately, though, I can see that there's a lot of dog hair mixed in there. There's certainly some fine dust that's still stuck in there, so you really can't separate that out very well. So if I'm trying to get out like fine dust, some of it's just not going to come out all that well. So I'm going to take that out. Obviously you can see hair in there. Big piece of hair. So let me take out the fluff to see what I can do to separate that big particulate from the small particulate. So I'll try to shake as much stuff out as I can. I bet you it's going to be kind of similar to the LG, but I'm seeing a ton of dog hair in here. It's about 1/2 inch long. It's like fawn colored for our boxer. I mean, there is literally a ton of dog hair in here that I did not see from the LG. The LG was a ton of carpet fibers, to be sure. So I'm trying to separate this as much as possible. Probably not doing all that hot a job. It's just kind of hard to separate some of that stuff. Yeah, lots and lots of dog hair, to be sure. And it's kind of mushy too. And I guess once I get most of the dog hair out, what I'm left with is very fine dust, to be sure. I don't really have any sand in the carpet, unless I put it in the carpet, the red stuff. So, you know, overall, it's just kind of, I can try to take some of that out. So, somewhere around in there. So, you see that this machine, doing thousands of square feet of just medium pile carpet, and you end up with, you know, something that's kind of close to a gram. It's like it's near 3/4 of a gram. And if I'm remembering the LG, it was very, very similar to that. And of course, when I put everything back in again, it comes pretty much back up to around 5 grams. So there's a definite 1 gram difference in there compared to the LG. But you need to remember, look at the quality difference between what the LG picked up and what the DC14 picks up. So you can kind of plainly see the DC14 is really concentrating more on dog hair. Well, gee, it's an animal. And it also seems to do a little bit better with fine dust. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.